we were a startup with limited resources, and it was really unfeasible for us to build a comprehensive engineering team in-house.
So we were actually working with several other product development contracting companies, and they were able to help us out to an extent. But what I will tell you is a lot of contracting companies out there are very focused on taking what you have and immediately trying to turn it into something you can sell. And that actually got us into a bit of a snag because we didn't have our core technology fleshed out yet. If we went to market with the technology that we had back then, before Keytech was able to help us out with rethinking all of our algorithms around how our core technology works, I don't think our product would be half as useful to the patient as it is now. Our product is a blood analyzer machine. They'll be having trouble with their coagulation. The doctors will run a cartridge on our machine and they'll be able to do a quick intervention with that patient. The patients don't have to go back to the operating room. It really has the possibility to change people's lives in surgery.
When we first start working with a company like HemoSonics, we love just diving into the weeds on all the technical details of the technology behind the product that they're trying to develop. They'll realize that we are very invested intellectually and mentally in their technology, and once they see that, then they can really start to trust us that we understand their overall goals and the challenges that they're facing.
One of the things that we noticed with Keytech right away was that they had a very hands-on approach to productization. It felt more like they were working with you, not for you.
Keytech was really able to help HemoSonics by getting involved early and really understanding the algorithm and the way that ultrasound is used to detect the different properties of the blood clots that are forming in the cartridge. The technical idea that they had developed and what Keytech really brought to the table was the bandwidth and the wherewithal to take what was a technology in a laboratory and turn it into a marketable product.
It really helped us speed things and accelerate our development effort by bringing best-in-class engineers, people that have done and have successfully solved the problems that we had at that time. So it really shortened our time to market and frankly allow us to be more efficient with the capital we had. The number one reason we were acquired is because we have best-in-class instrument that can solve a big problem right now in critical care settings. And Keytech helped us design this system to fulfill the requirements of the clinicians.